Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Fantastic that you joined me today for episode number 123. Episode 123. I'm going to show you something that's as simple as using as simple as 1, 2, 3 in Quantrix Modeler. Because in Quantrix Modeler 6.2, which released today, they have added this feature that just makes using Quantrix that much easier. It's where you can use a category as a category. It is absolutely fantastic. Traditionally in Quantrix, when we've wanted to link matrices that maybe haven't had a linked category, we would need to kind of create helper cells and we would need to use an item as a category. I think if you go back and watch episode 1 of Quantrix Authority, I show you how to use a using as, or maybe it was a select statement. Anyway, it's one of my first podcasts. I show you how to use a using as statement. Well, and I told you that the rule there was that anytime you're using as, you always need to link items to categories. Well, with 6.2, you don't need to do that all the time. Now you can use another matrix's category as the current matrix's category. Let me explain. I have here a matrix called Inventory Utah. It has inventory units by these warehouses of Hanksville, Oak City, Kanosh, and Fool Creek. I have another matrix where really I only want to bring back maybe 2 of those warehouses. I'm concerned only about 2 of them, so I have this warehouse concern matrix. Okay, so what I can do is, traditionally what I would do is I would go ahead and I'd create kind of this helper cell or helper warehouse column. And I would say helper warehouse is equal to @warehouse. And then I would say, well, inventory is equal to the inventory using item helper warehouse as the category here of this current matrix. Cool? And it would work for me just like that. Bam. It's beautiful. It's very simple, very straightforward. Well, they've even made it easier now in Quantrix 6.2, which came out today, in the fact that if I call this inventory easy, I guess we'll say, and I say inventory easy equals the inventory using this matrix's category, warehouses. See, I was going up here to this item. That's wrong. You can now go to the categories here, warehouse, as this matrices category, warehouse is concerned. Bam, I get the exact same answer. Just so you know that I don't have any, hidden magic going on. I want to delete that old methodology and put the new methodology in, and you'll be able to see that it updates automatically. If I were to put, say, 200 in Oak City, that blessed place, and I were to change the order of these, again, the answer is correct. I am using a category in this matrix as a category in this matrix. Absolutely incredible what they've been able to do here. So props to Mike Salisbury, Ben Wake, Ben Gruba, Shane Davidson, Brian Cowley, whoever else on the Quantrix team that's responsible for this, Brian Cabana. Nice work at making Quantrix a better tool, a more easier to use tool. It is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love Quantrix. I hope that you love it too and you get to use it. Anyway, if you have any questions about Quantrix, I hope that you'll reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I want to answer your Quantrix questions. I want to make you a Quantrix master. So I hope that you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.